Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tablet. Charge it, place the charger nearby, and power on. Once the welcome screen appears, select your language and connect to Wi-Fi so updates and verification work. Make sure to choose 2, 4 or 5 GHz as needed. Next, sign into your Google account or create one. This enables Play Store, backups, and Find My Device. Follow the on-screen activation steps, accept required permissions, and opt into automatic updates if you want smoother security maintenance. Once done with activation, you move into security and system readiness. You should set a screen lock, PIN, pattern, or password, and enroll biometrics if available. This protects accounts and payments. Then, go to settings to check for system and app updates, download them, and restart so security patches apply. After reboot, restore apps and data from Google Backup or transfer from your old device. And make sure to review app permissions to prevent unnecessary access to location, microphone. To finish, personalize and optimize. Set display brightness or adaptive mode, choose wallpaper, and configure battery saver to extend life. Make sure cloud backup is enabled. Enable Find My Device and set Play Store to auto-update over Wi-Fi only if you prefer. Install essential apps, sign into accounts, and test audio, camera, and sensors. If something goes wrong, like repeated crashes or failed activation, try safe mode, clear app cache, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. That usually resolves persistent setup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.